Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Read Aloud feature in Microsoft Word mobile app. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my Microsoft Word application. I'm going to go to my Microsoft folder on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to select this one. Okay, and then I'm going to open up my Microsoft Word app here, and I'm just going to open one of my documents in Microsoft Word. I'm going to select this one, guys, and I'm going to choose this document. Okay, and after this document has been opened, I'm going to show you guys how we can use the Read Aloud feature. Okay, basically you can use the Read Aloud feature to make the Microsoft Word read the document for you. If we want to get this feature, we need to go to the review menu. But before it, make sure you have enabled the edit menu. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this menu and we can select home. Alright, and go to the review. Okay guys, and here you'll be able to activate Read Aloud feature for your document in Microsoft Word. I'm going to select Read Aloud. Okay.
Table of contents.
And this is the result, guys.
Chapter 1 Introduction 1.
And you can click on this button if you want to pause it. And you can click this icon to go to the audio settings. You can increase or decrease the reading speed. I'm just going to make it faster and go to the voice pack to change the voice. I'm just going to select the male. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on this X button. But wait, I'm going to play it again.
Purpose 2.
Alright, and if you want to change the language, guys, you can go to the proofreading and language, and here you will be able to change the Read Aloud language. As you can see, my current language is Indonesian, and I'm going to change it to English. Okay, now it's done. The language for Read Aloud has been changed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Read Aloud feature on Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!